He was wealthy, then he became poor after accepting Islam. Then he rebuilt everything from zero, and when he became rich again, he gave it all away. This is the story of faith, sacrifice, and powerful business principles. In Makkah, Abdul Rahman ibn Awf, richest, belonged to a respected Quraysh family and was a skilled merchant. But when he accepted Islam through Abu Bakr, R.A., persecution began. Accepting Islam meant losing customers, losing protection, losing wealth, and risking life. For the sake of iman, he left Makkah during Hijrah, leaving much of his wealth behind. He chose Allah over money, and he became poor. When he reached Medina, the Prophet paired him with Sa'd ibn al-Rabi, R.A. Sa'd offered him half his wealth, but Abdul Rahman, R.A., said, "May Allah bless your wealth. Just show me the marketplace. No charity, no shortcuts. Just tawakkul, trust in Allah and effort." When he restarted his business, he followed three powerful principles: absolute honesty, small margins with high volume, and tawakkul plus generosity. He never lied, cheated, or hid defects. People trusted him blindly. He didn't wait for huge profits, selling everyday essentials like butter and cheese with quick turnover. He believed rizq comes from Allah and gave charity regularly, and Allah multiplied his wealth. Years later, a caravan of 700 camels loaded with goods entered Medina. The ground shook. It all belonged to Abdul Rahman ibn Awf, R.A. But then he heard the Prophet say, "The poor will enter paradise 500 years before the rich." That statement terrified him. He feared his wealth might delay his entry into Jannah. So he donated the entire caravan, all 700 camels and their goods, in charity. He was poor for the sake of faith. He became rich through honesty and tawakkul. He gave it away for the sake of the hereafter. He proved wealth is not wrong, but loving wealth more than Allah is. From poverty to prosperity to paradise. This was the journey of a man promised Jannah.